Hi there, my name is Akilito. This is the third part of Bohemian Rhapsody tutorial. The lighting is not really clear, so I just shut the curtain off. Anyway, okay. So in this video, it contains 3 sets. In the first set, you will learn the basic ones so that you have to repeat it twice in a whole song. So you have to be careful not to miss any details from set 1. And set 2 and set 3 are like a traditional part. So it comes out once in a video. So anyway, you have to learn those as well. So yeah, be aware. So let's start with set 1. So anyway, the last video in a part 2, it ended like this, right? So the next chord is this one. So first chord, 0, 0, 3, 7. Down, up, down, then 2, 3. So then 0, 4, 3, 5. First 7, first 8, and 0, 9, 8, 7. This chord is 9, 8, 0, 7. Just put these 2 fingers up. Okay. Then so it goes like this. So anyway, the next chord, this one. 0, 2, 5, 8. Then put your pinky on the first 7, pinky on the 5th, strum down once, and then put your ring finger on the second to first. So it goes like this. Then pick top string, then G7 shape, 0, 2, 1, 2, and then pick the top 3 string or 2 string, either way. Then so this chord, 0, 5, 3, 5. First 7 and bar the 7th and first 8, first 10. So then so this one, 0, 0, 10, 8, 0, 0, 8, 7, 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 0, 0, 5, 3, and 0, 11, 0, 10. So that's one set. Okay, I have to remember that was one set. And now moving on to second set 2. Okay, first 5 to first 7, then this chord, 0, 4, 5, 3. The next chord is this one, and 0, 3, 4, 0, 4, 3, 3, and pick the second note. So okay, then 0 5 4 4. So it goes like this. So and put your ring finger on the second 6, on and off, then put it back to 0 4 3 3 and pick top 3 strings, and pick second, first, second, then 0 0 5 5 3 and pick top 3 string and first, then 0 4 3 3 and pick 3 strings, then bottom, slide 1 back to 0 3 2 2, and as you play the first string, you put your ring finger on the first 3 and G. So that was the second set. You see, that was complicated. And G. This is second part of the video. Remember? Exactly the same. From this one, you play the set 1 of this video. That was the first set, right? Then instead of going to second set, we're gonna go to third set. First 7. First 7. So, first 7. Then figure harmonics on the 12th, and A minor, and first 2, first 3, and 1 0 0 0 and 2 2 3 and nothing, and play, and 2 3, then this chord 7 5 5 5. So it goes like this anyway. Okay. Twice down, up, down, then put your middle finger on the 4th 6 and pick it. Then play 5 5 5. Sorry, first 7, first 8, and first 10, first 12. So 5 5 5 12. Then bar the 7th and put your pinky on the 10th. So in this part, I couldn't get how Jake Shimabukuro played, you know, these things, so I just improvised it. So if you want to learn my version, you have to stick with me, okay? Then first 8, 7 and 8, 7, 10 on a second, okay, 8, second 7, this note again. This one is third 9, second 7, third 7, and third 8. Sorry. Then third 5 to 7, 4, 5. So okay, then so this chord 0 0 3 3, first 5, first 7, 0 11 0 10, this chord 2 0 0 3, then first 7, first 8, first 10, then fifth harmonics on the 12th, and A minor, 2 3 1 0 0, 2 3, nothing, and 2 3, and again this chord 5 7 5 5 5 5, down down up down. Then on the third string 2 4 5, then goes like this. So 0 1 0 1, and as you play down you slide up to 0 5 0 5, then 0 1 1 0, then first 13, second 6, then 0 1 2 1. So that's the end of the third set, and that brings to the end of this video as well. That was third part. That was a hard one. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, okay, I'm gonna post maybe fourth part. Not today, I'm tired, so I'm gonna post it in someday, like in a week. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and a big give a big thumbs up to my video. Like them, please like them, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for the part 4. Yeah, basically, see you next time. Bye bye.